Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically start making and selling ebooks. So we're going to use Canva first and go to templates and then just type in ebook and select the one that you want. Maybe it's about like self-love and self-care, finance, etc. Just whichever one you want, like whichever one fits your aesthetic. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's do just this one here. Find your true purpose. Customize the template. And obviously it's still just like the first page here. You're just going to change the text, the picture, and etc. Obviously the author, and then you're just going to start writing your ebook here. Then once you've exported it, you're just going to go to Gumroad, and this is where you can start selling. It says writing and publishing. There's also gaming, design, drawing, films, music and sound design, self-improvement maybe. So you're just going to start selling your ebooks here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.